Here's how to fix 99% of Windows problems quickly with 5 essential steps. Step 1. Restart Windows in safe mode. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, then go to System, then Recovery, then Advanced Startup, then Restart Now. After your PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, then Restart. When the PC restarts again, press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Safe Mode starts Windows with only essential drivers and services, which helps isolate and troubleshoot software and performance issues. Step 2. Clear temporary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive and click OK. Check Temporary Files and any other unnecessary files, then click OK, then Delete Files. Clearing temporary files frees up storage, clears clutter, and can resolve performance issues caused by accumulated junk files. Step 3. Reset network settings. Press Windows plus I, then go to Network and Internet, then Status. Scroll down and click Network Reset. Click Reset Now and confirm. Your PC will automatically restart and restore all network settings to default. This can fix connectivity issues, slow internet, and network-related errors. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, then open Windows Update. Click Check for Updates, and Windows will search for pending updates and download them automatically. Restart your PC if prompted. Installing updates fixes bugs, improves performance, and ensures Windows has the latest security and feature improvements. Step 5. Run System File Scanner, SFC scan. Press Windows plus S, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC/Scan Now and press Enter. Windows will scan for corrupted or missing system files and automatically repair them. This step resolves issues caused by damaged system files that can trigger errors, crashes, or slow performance. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take minutes. Once finished, a summary of repairs will be displayed. Following all 5 steps will resolve most Windows problems, from crashes and freezes to performance issues and network errors. Perform these regularly to keep your PC running smoothly. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.